In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make $30 every 10 minutes and up to $180 per hour. And for this method, you're going to be using Google Translate. The method that I'll be showing you in this video has nothing to do with writing blog posts or articles. We'll be using a different method, and it's actually a way better way of using Google Translate to make money. And you can make around $25 to $30 every 10 minutes. You don't get paid per hour, you get paid every 10 minutes. So 1 hour has 6 times 10 minutes. So if you take 30 times 6, that's $180 that you could potentially be making using this method. And most people that use this method usually do it for around 4 to 5 hours every single day. So let's do the math on that. If you use this website for about 5 hours every single day, then you're going to be making around $900 a day, even as a complete beginner, which isn't bad. But not only that, this method is completely free and available worldwide. All you need is a PayPal account. But before I show you how you can do that, comment your country down below. And that way, I'll know exactly where you're from, so in the future, I can make sure that every single video I release is meant for you. So drop your country's name in the comments down below. And if you like to make money online, I highly suggest that you subscribe to the channel because I post videos every single week with different money making methods that you can use to make money online. And if you're not subscribed, I could post a video tomorrow or next week that could have been a video that could have changed the game for you forever. So now that you've subscribed to the channel and maxed out your chances to make money online, let's get into the video. Okay, and the first thing that you want to do is go over to Google Translate. So just go to Google and type in Translate. And then that's going to bring you to this page. And the only thing you want to do is open up the main website. So just click on Google Translate. All right, then that's going to bring us here. I don't know if you guys know how to use this. I made a couple of videos in regards to Google Translate, but what you want to do, let's just say, for example, if you wanted to translate something from Spanish into English, you would just paste in whatever you have in Spanish here, and then it would translate it into English. Or if you wanted to put in something French here, if you want to translate French into English or French into Hindi or Japanese, etc. But in this case, in this video, we're actually going to be translating Spanish into English. And the next website that we're going to go to is CPA Grip, and I really love this website because it's really easy to make money. Basically, you don't have to sell anything on this website, so no one has to make a purchase. The only thing that anyone has to do is put in their information, like an email or sometimes just their name, phone number, and email, etc. Basically, enter information, and anytime they do that, you get paid. So it's really easy to make money on this website, and I believe it's worldwide. They pay out through PayPal. If you're somewhere where PayPal is not available, just let me know, guys. Just put it down in the comments, and I'll do my best to make more videos that's available worldwide. So to sign up for this website, the only thing you want to do is go up here and click register and just sign up for the website. But I'm already registered, so I just went ahead and logged in. And the first thing that you will see when you log in is how much people are actually making. Here you have someone that made $63.73 yesterday. Here's someone $31.57. This person earned $103,194, $71.57. $4,136. So people are actually making a lot of money on this website. Again, the reason you can make a lot of money on this website is because no one has to make a purchase. No one has to spend any money. The only thing they have to do is enter information, and you automatically get paid for the transaction. Basically, this person signing up and entering the email, phone number, and name, basically. So it's really easy to make money with this website. And also, once you're in the dashboard, these are some of the top performing offers if you wanted to check them out. Now, what I'm going to show you today is how to make a lot of money with this website, and it's a little bit different. So what we're going to do is just go over to Offer Tools, and then we're going to go to My Offers. And as you can see, I'm in the United States, and it's just going to pull the United States up by default. And if we just scroll down here, you see the offers aren't really that bad. You got one here for 38 cents, and then there's $2.05. So what we're going to do is just click payout once, and then we're going to click it twice, and it's going to pull up the highest paying offer. And again, this right here, these are just leads. So it's people just entering emails, phone numbers, and information, names, etc. No one has to buy anything. It's just basically you getting paid for leads. So $2.06 really is not bad to get paid per lead. But you would have to get a lot of traffic, like thousands of leads to this offer to really make a lot of money. So we're going to do things a little bit different. So we really want the top payout. Here, if you wanted to get a total of $2,000, you have to drive about 2,000 people to this offer. and they have to actually follow through and enter their information to generate a lead in order for you to actually get paid. So we're going to switch things up a little bit. Instead of the United States, you could scroll through here and you could go through France or Spain or Italy. But in this case, we're just going to go with Spain. And these are basically top paying countries that have high value offers. And the reason they're doing that is because they want, everyone's promoting the English offers. Not too many people are promoting Spain, Italy, and France. So this is some type of incentive to get people to also promote these offers as well. So if we go down here, we go to payout and we click it twice, it's going to start with the highest payouts. And as you can see here, $19.25 looks to be the highest payout. So you can make a lot more money with this offer. And again, the reason you get paid a lot more in these countries is because there's a lot of people using these websites in the United States, but not a lot of people using them in different countries such as Spain. And when you do this method, basically you want to find the highest paying offer. That could be France, it could be Italy, it could be Portugal. So just look through the countries and see which one is paying the highest offer. For the sake of this video, we're just going to go with Spain because you see they're definitely paying a lot more than the United States. If you guys are finding value in this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. So again, there's not a lot of people that speak Spanish that's promoting this offer. A lot of people speak English, so they're promoting English. So this is where the opportunity lies for you to make $19.25 per lead instead of $2.05 per lead. So what you want to do to get your affiliate link, first there's going to be a number up here. This is your affiliate number. So what you want to do is copy this affiliate number, and then you could just open up a notepad or a Google Doc and just paste that affiliate number in there so you'll have that. And then let's just say we're going to promote this offer here. We just open it up, and this is your affiliate link, and this is your tracking domain. So for a tracking domain, let's just scroll through here, and let's just say you wanted to use filestrue.com. And then what you would do is just copy this link, and you also want to save that link to your Google Doc. And then you want to take your affiliate number and you want to put that right after the equal sign here. So this is your affiliate link. So since this is in Spanish, we have to see what it is that they're asking here. So if we just copy this and we go over to Google Translate, we're just going to paste that in. And as you can see, they're just asking them to enter your information now to get started. And for every single person that actually enters their information, basically creating a lead, this is how much you're going to get paid for every single person that enters their information, which is $19.25. Okay, so the next thing we want to do is we really want to shorten this link because it's really long. It doesn't look too good. So we just want to copy this and shorten it so it'll be more appealing. And then we're going to go to a link shortening website like Bitly, and we're going to paste our long affiliate link in. And then we're going to scroll down a little bit and we want to customize the back half. So now we really have to go back to see what this offer is about, and we really can't see it here. So what you want to do is right click on this offer, and then you're just going to select open image in new tab. And then we're going to go and select that window. And as you can see, it's a lot bigger now, and we can see what this offer is about. I can't copy this. I have to actually type it out. But if I type this out, and if I go over and paste that into Google Translate, what do I get? Okay, so now if we go back to that offer, this right here says, what do I get? So now I'm just going to type this out and punch that into Google Translate. Okay, see all the movies you want. Okay, so if I go back here, basically this right here is see all the movies you want. So what you would do is find out what the offer is about. Just use Google Translate to find out what they're going to get in the offer by using Google Translate. And that's how we're going to design our ad, because we'll be targeting people that speak Spanish. So since we know this is see all the movies you want is something about movies, we could go back to our back half and just say something like movie lovers and create. Okay, so movie lovers already exist. Okay, so the custom name just wasn't available for the back end of that link, but you guys get the gist of it. So we're just going to copy this shortened link, and we're also going to save that in our Google Doc. So I'm just going to paste that in there. Okay, so now that we shortened our link, what you want to do is head off to this website here, which is Traffic Ad Bar. And as you remember, each person that signs up for this offer, basically each person that enters their information into this offer, we're going to be getting paid $19.25. And this website is guaranteeing that we will get at least 1,000 visitors to our offer. So out of that 1,000 visitors that we're guaranteed to get to our offer, not all of them are going to complete the offers. So let's just say 10% of 1,000 actually completes the offers. So let's just say 1,000 times 10 that's a total of 100 people. So now if we take 100 times $19.25, that's $1,925. So you'll be making around $2,000 if just 10% of those 1,000 people just put in their information and generate a lead. And let's just say only 10% of 100 people actually did the offer. So let's say 100 times 10% equals 10. So that will be times your offer amount is $19.25. So that's still $192 per day. So if only 10 people did your offer, you're still going to get close to $200 per day. So it's definitely worth it for something that could take around 10 to 15 minutes to set up. And you can literally do this as many times as you want. So the amount of money that you can earn literally depends on how many times you want to do this. So again, now what you want to do is go to this website called trafficadbar.com. And now what we're going to do is go and copy our shortened link that we got from Bitly. And we're going to go back to Traffic Ad Bar and paste that in. And then we're just going to click add a website. And here, this is where the Google Translate comes into play. So what we want to do is go back to CPA Grip and find out what our offer is about. So basically, we just want to see what they're advertising on their ad. And remember earlier, the only thing we had to do was right click on this ad and open it up in a different tab so it could be bigger. So if I go back to that tab, what I did was type this out and then just paste it into Google Translate. And we see that it's about movies. See all the movies you want. So what we would do is just copy this because we know that this is what it's going to say in the ad. See all the movies you want. Then we're going to go back to our title and just paste that in. Okay, and it looks like it's a little short. So if we go back here, shorten it a little bit, all the movies you want, make it a little bit shorter, go back to Traffic Ad Bar and paste it in. And that's still too long. So for the sake of this video, let's just say movie lovers. So we're going to copy this, go back to Traffic Ad Bar and paste that in. And then add line 1. For the sake of this video, again, I could go back to Google Translate because we already know that the ad is about movies. So we just want to entice them to click on it. For the sake of this video and to keep things short, I'll just say the best movies. And then I'll copy that, go back to Traffic Ad Bar and paste that in. And then if we scroll down here, what is the language of your ad and web page? We just want to select Spanish. And then if we scroll down a little bit more, the countries, that's going to be Spain. Okay, and as you can see, they're giving you 1 extra credit. And then you just want to scroll down here and click save. And then they're going to post your ad into the network. And every time someone performs that action and creates a lead for you, you're going to get $19.25 per lead, which in this case is just entering their information to get started. And again, that website is promising to get at least 1,000 views to your ad. And for every 10% of people that actually follow through and create a lead for you, you're going to be getting close to around $200. And you're all set. But if you're really not a fan of this method and you want to check out my #1 recommendation to make money online, you can click the first link in the description below this video. By the way, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the notifications bell to get the latest tips and tutorials that'll help you make money online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.